What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got something special planned. We're gonna head over to Mountain Motorsports to go look at some new bikes, because for 2022 we're gonna start making some little changes in the garage. I'm pumped. Now, I was gonna take Storm, but my dad, say hi, Dad.
What's up? Yeah, man.
He asked to come along, so I was like, all right. The shop's about 45 minutes away. By the time I got there and then started heading back, it was gonna be dark and cold. So I was like, perfect excuse to take the truck. You gonna be able to make it in here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
It's high up, man. This is that stock V8 purr, baby. All right, guys, so we made it to Mountain Motorsports. You can see the sign right there. It's currently 6:09, they close at 7. We're actually gonna go in there and see what they've got. I'm really excited. I never knew it was right here. I've driven past it several times. Mountain Motorsports. After you, follow them on.
So you have 3 bikes?
Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. Yeah. Look at all the dirt bikes. We got jet skis over there. Hilarious Harleys. Man, look at these razors. This is the big money right here. Did you ever buy one of those? One of these? Why not? You don't like it? Oh, I guess you could do off-roading with it too, like normal off-roading. I picture in the desert, you got all your friends in there. You got the speakers. It's like the price of a car. Look at that, $30,999. People buy these just to go off-roading, man. Isn't that crazy? We're gonna look around, but there's one specific bike that I came here for that I've been looking at and eyeing on the internet.
Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm meant to. Hit the ground running like the rain do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up?
I'm an Aprilia Tuono. Some of y'all commented and said you wanted me to get one of these. I like the naked sector, but that's not necessarily a bike that I'd be interested in. But the Aprilia is a great bike. Everyone that has one says their dealership support's a little questionable, so I don't know if that's what I want to deal with, especially up in Kentucky. Groms are cool. I would probably never own a Grom. I'm too big to be owning my Grom. We got another Tuono. We got freaking V4S on sale. Only way I'm gonna buy a V4S though is if it's a 2020, because they updated the fairings to the R fairings. They got the little gills down there, which look absolutely incredible. They also just dropped the 2022 V4, and it's a different red. Apparently it's faster. Like, we thought this bike was perfection and they took it to the next level. So y'all comment down below, what do y'all think about the new V4? They got a newer R1 with all the carbon fiber on here. I like this with the nice little comfort seat. They got the carbon fiber roof fairing back here. This guy was obviously having some fun with it. He's got a cage on there, which is nuts. And I do love all the carbon fiber though. This whole bike is just carbon fiber. S1K, if I'm gonna get an S1K, it's gonna be the new model, but I never was a fan of these asymmetrical headlights. I just didn't think they looked that good. We got an R1. This looks just like my boy Downey's R1. These will always have a soft spot in my heart, obviously. This look familiar, Dan? This one? You like it? Not like it?
I saw it. It looked like you had one before.
As to what's in the garage.
Oh.
This is a little bit an older version. Not the older version, but they updated mine a little. Mine's a little bit more sharper. ZX10r. I actually rode one of these, like the OG of the OGs, like below 1,000 subscribers. Well, saw the video of me riding this with the orange chain. Interesting. I'm obviously a fan of the Nardo gray color on here. Looks good.
I'm Jamaican.
Jamaica, yachty, yeah. My mother live in Jamaica actually. Right?
Oh yeah?
She went to college out there.
We had one in here. It may be still on the website for some reason, but I know we're getting some new models in.
Probably later on this week or so. Oh yeah?
Damn.
Man, if all the time you were coming, I would have done some more preparation for you.
Okay. I just saw it on the website. That's why I just assumed y'all had it.
Yeah, we got some incoming. The new 2022 model.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
So Matt just informed me that that they don't have the here, man. It's okay. I should have called before I came up here, but
okay.
so on the website, I've got his card right here. So thankfully, I'll be able to come back and actually show you guys it. But cat's out of the bag. So what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at. It's gonna be the next bike on the channel if we can find a good one.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out Mountain Motorsports Marietta today.
Heck
and
yeah.
If you need anything, you got my card.
Yep.
We'll be sure to take care of you and let you know exactly when stuff's here. So
Yep, exactly.
you don't waste any time.
Yeah, you don't make the same mistake I did of showing up and the freaking bike's not even
we'll
here.
make sure you know before you come in.
So I appreciate that, man.
Anytime.
Yeah, so you guys, we'll see him again. We'll link up and do some fun
for
stuff,
sure.
man. It'll be a good time. So, heck yeah. So if y'all got any bikes you want to see, let me know. Drop them down in the comments below. That is cool. What's your name, man?
Quincy, bro.
Quincy.
I actually, love your channel a lot, man. I actually got inspired to get my R6 because I seen you on your R1, bro.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. Hell
love your
yeah.
stuff, man.
He came over and said, "What's up?" That's nuts, man. That's
Appreciate it. You
so
on the Ducati now?
That's still in the shop.
Still in the shop?
Still in the shop.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So we're shopping for a replacement for Storm right now.
For Storm?
Yeah, for the R1. I know.
It's sad. You should have seen it. We had an R1M in here. That thing was beautiful. They traded that Evader, the half black, half white BMW.
Yeah, okay, for that.
They traded that in for that R1M.
That's crazy. Hey, he did it right. My S1K people. Y'all see that? He traded for the R1M. Came to the dark side. That's cool.
We're all team Yamaha up in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And the thing is,
parts
we
department.
don't
Yeah,
have
Yamaha,
from a
yeah.
dealer, so
Yeah.
all of our manufacturers, they're like, why are you not taking advantage of our employee discounts? We're like, well, we all love Yamaha.
Yeah,
We paid
exactly.
extra money for it.
You can't beat the
Yes,
sound of that
everybody
crossplay,
in here.
man. Exactly.
XSR
Oh, you can't.
900,
You
MCO
can't.
9,
Yep.
Racer 900 GT.
Oh heck yeah. They know what's up, man. They know what's up.
R6.
I'll say it again. Yamaha makes the best looking besides Ducati.
Yeah.
I love
Well,
Ducati. You can't beat Ducati,
yeah, I
but
really can't beat it.
normally priced bike.
Yeah.
Yamaha for sure.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, yeah, you
Yeah.
cannot beat it.
No.
You cannot beat it.
No,
I mean, literally, it's affordable to work on. You got a lot of shops around that will work on it.
Exactly,
too.
yeah.
I mean, you tell them, I just want to get my tire changed. They can't do it for me. They can't do
Yeah.
it for a single-sided swing arm.
Yeah, exactly. No, I had to take my bike to Nashville to get worked on, man.
Literally, you know, that's the cool thing about Yamaha. You could go pretty much anywhere around here and get it worked on.
Exactly. Yeah, that's cool.
Quincy works in parts, so if you need anything, he's definitely
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
man.
heck yeah.
Definitely
The
the-
plug, man.
man.
The plug. Hell yeah, Quincy.
Thanks, yeah.
Let's say you got a card or something,
I
man?
definitely do. I'll go grab
Yeah,
it for
hell
you.
yeah.
Man, I'm a big fan of
That's crazy, man.
I've been subscribed for a while now.
Yeah, that is so cool. Like I said, small freaking world, man. Hell yeah, shout out to my boy Quincy, man. Come see him if y'all ever need
see me.
anything. He'll take care of you out here, man.
Sir.
So, all right, we got the Evader right here.
Yeah, the Evader. This was actually what got traded in for the R1M that we were trying to look at. Has a really cool backstory. So you see you've got white on one side, black on the other. So you're running down the road, officer catches you, sees a white bike. You turn around, you come around the opposite side. And now he's looking at a black bike. So he's now looking for a white bike as you're coming down, black light. Cool other thing that has on it, kill switch for the headlights. Turn off the running headlights, go completely black.
I got y'all
thank
some
you,
stuff
man.
this year. I doubled up
Okay,
on some
thank you.
things for you.
Oh, heck yeah. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Oh, but yeah, so if you were to go down one side of the road and he's seeing this white bike, so
You
they're
can
going to
see
be,
a white bike,
okay,
the cop.
radioing in for a white bike, but then you come down the other side of the road and now you're black.
Oh, okay. Smart, man. What is this?
That is the windscreen that was originally
Oh,
got
okay,
damaged,
okay,
so they went ahead and just put a new one on there.
That makes sense. They're gonna know though, right? No, they're not gonna know. You're out of there at that point.
Well, this one actually is pretty cool because original owner wanted to track the bike. That's why you see the full titanium Graves exhaust system. You see the Woodcraft covers on it. But then, after about not even 1,000 miles, the next owner bought it and they wanted to stun it out. So they put a stun cage on it.
Look, yeah, down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick. This that double shift, this that overtime. I'm on my job, player, you know I was.
Dad's ready to go. For sure. We got some cool liners over here that I picked up. Some liners in the bag, a shirt, got some gloves, and then I got a little balaclava in there. He hooked your boy up. Shout out to Quincy over there. But yeah, and then they gave us a little gift bag. They got some really cool inventory over here at Mountain Motorsports. So if you're local in the area and you're interested in a bike, make sure you come check them out. Cool folks over here. Definitely get the FastLaneD stamp of approval. Yeah, man, about to get up out of here on a brand new bike. He just bought that? That's cool, man. He just bought this little Honda. That's nice. Be safe, man. It be easy, man.
Yes, sir.
Take care. Yes, sir. Heck yeah. R6 action. It's a 10 action. Shout out to them riding in the cold, because it's 40 degrees out, maybe a little bit lower, and your boy definitely ain't on the bike.